Let's talk acidity of water. The acidity of water in a swimming pool is considered normal if the average, that's the mean, we talked about the average, right? That's where you add them all up and you divide by however many there are. Back to this. The average is between 7.2 and 7.8 inclusive. Remember last slide I just told you you might see the word inclusive, that means the or equal to. The first two readings for a swimming pool are 7.4 and 7.9. What possible values for the third reading, P, will make the average pH normal? Okay, so it has to fall between 7.2 and 7.8. This is an and problem. It's going to fall in the middle, so it would be shaded in the middle. It's an and problem. So we have 7.2 is less than or equal to, because they have the word inclusive. It could be 7.2, it could be 7.8. Now, we'll have the 7.8 over here. The middle, it said the average of those three numbers. So we're gonna have to add them up and divide by 3. So our first readings were 7.4, 7.9. We don't know our third one. It says use the variable P. Great, there's our inequality. Now, do you guys remember from back in the day, we know how to get rid of fractions. This is all being divided by 3. So how could we get rid of that? Yes, we can multiply everything by 3. So, 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. So this would be 21.6. In the middle, it just cancels out the divided by 3. So we have 7.4 plus 7.9 plus P. Over here, 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 0.8 is 2.4, right? 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 times 0.8 would be 2.4. If we add those up, we get 23.4. Great, there's our next line of work. It's actually gonna get easier from here. We did the hard stuff. Now we can combine our like terms. 7.4 plus 7.9. 7 plus 7 is 14. 0.4 plus 0.9 is 1.3. So that would be 15.3 plus P. Bring down your other stuff. And then it says 15.3 plus P. So to get rid of that 15.3, we could subtract it from all three parts. Minus 15.3. Minus 15.3, minus 15.3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 21 minus 15 is 6. In the middle, those cancel out. We just have P. Over here, let's see, 4 minus 3 is 1. 23 minus 15 is 8. So it has to fall between 6.3 and 8.1 inclusive. It could be 6.3. It could be 8.1, and that's all fine. Now, let's see. I don't remember if they told us we need to graph this solution here. Nope, they don't. But, come on, let's just do it. 6.3, 8.1. These both have the or equal to's, so they should have a solid dot. This is an and problem. We know and problems shade in the middle. But remember, you can think of it as has to be less than or equal to 8.1, so it should be to the left of that. It should be greater than or equal to 6.3, which is to the right. So they overlap in the middle. These are all the solutions for the possible pH levels.